To link your Venmo account to TikTok, start by opening the TikTok app and clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Next, look for the three-line menu at the top of the screen and click on it. A window will pop up with several options. Select the Payment option. This will open up a new screen showing the payment method linked to your TikTok profile. To add a new payment method, click on Add Credit or Debit Card. You will then be prompted to enter your card details. If you want to use your Venmo debit card, open the Venmo app, click on the Cards option at the bottom of the screen, and retrieve your Venmo debit card details. Enter these details into the required fields on the TikTok screen and click Submit. Once you've completed this process, your Venmo account will be linked to your TikTok profile.